It's a feeling of loss that passes every year.
Claudiana dos Santos says she lives close to where Canadian company Yamana mines for gold in the Brazilian city of Jacobina. She claims that the dust from the mining is making people sick.
The most common occurrences were these: sinusitis, asthma, shortness of breath.
A local investigation claimed the company was responsible for contaminating a river, a source of water for animals. But advocates say the problem is much bigger than just one case. Foreign plaintiffs have filed 8 related court claims in Canada against Canadian extractive companies. None of those cases involve Yamana. But some find it difficult and expensive to pursue justice through Canadian courts.
People who are impacted find that they have nowhere to go to seek help.
A real change.
In 2015, the Trudeau Liberals promised to create a watchdog, later called the Corps, to advise Canadian companies and investigate complaints when needed. The Liberal government later paid an expert who suggested the best way to ensure the Corps has the necessary powers would be to create a law. But after years of industry lobbying, the government scaled back its plans for the Corps.
My office does not have the ability to enforce any of our recommendations.
In 2018, the government said online that the Corps would be able to compel witnesses and documents. But today, it says she can review allegations and provide advice to the government.
Having the ability to compel testimony and documents would, put us in the most favorable situation to be able to assess the facts and to be able to come to recommendations. Having said that, there are other ways of going forward to get that information.
The Office of the International Trade Minister, Mary Ng, said in a statement, not collaborating in good faith with the Corps can result in the withdrawal of trade advocacy support and the refusal of future support from Export Development Canada.
Canada should not be relying only on voluntary responses.
Yamana told Global News allegations in Jacobina were unsubstantiated and that there's no detrimental impact from this mine's operations. Its human rights policy says Yamana is committed to protecting the health and safety of all individuals affected by its business activities. But Dos Santos says the mining has transformed her community.
We cannot say it anymore, but I grew up bathing in the river, visiting waterfalls, hiking.
She's afraid generations to come will never have the same memories. Jasmine Pisano, Global News.